So today I'm going to show you one of the best ways to trade on Deriv MT5, trading the volatility 75 index. Okay, I realize most Kenyans only trade on Deriv using the Deriv bot and using various bots, but today I will show you a strategy that you can use, especially for those people who want to grow a small account, a $5 account. I highly recommend that you open a Deriv MetaTrader 5 account. And for you to open an account, simply visit the link below the video in the description or comment section, and it will bring you to this page. Okay, it will bring you to this page whereby you'll be able to download your MetaTrader 5 app. Okay, but before that you need to open the account itself. I'll leave a video that will guide you on how to open your MT5 somewhere above here. Okay, so the link will bring you to this page. Read more about MT5. You can see there are MT5 account types. There is a standard, zero spread, swap free, and financial. Okay, so you'll find the link to this page below this video. So let's jump in and let me walk you through on the best strategy for you to use to grow your $5 account. Okay, so we'll need to use indicators, 3 indicators mainly. Number one, the relative strength index, or RSI. Okay, this one. Then the second indicator is the MACD, moving average convergence divergence, this one, number 2. And then the third indicator is moving average. Okay, so once you download your MT5, be it on your phone or on your laptop, this is what you should get. Okay, all you need to do is come to File up here and then open an account. So since you will have already opened your account on the Deriv platform, you will need to know your server. Let me just show you briefly. This is the MT5, for example. This is the standard account. So if I open it like this, these are the details that you will use. These are the details that you will use to be able to log in on the MT5 once you click open account. Okay, so the broker is deriv.com limited. It depends on where you are, which country, but these are the details. I will not go through that now. Use these details to open your account. Okay, so let's go back to our indicators. Like I said before, the first indicator is the relative strength index, RSI. And the purpose, you can see here, the RSI will help define the overbought and oversold levels, even though it won't be visible on the chart. In this chart, I'll show you how you're going to do it. So let's just go to the chart, and then you come to the indicators section. You can see indicators. So we are looking for the relative strength index. Okay, relative strength index, and here it is. Okay, so I'll double tap it, and then I need to set the parameters. Okay, so come back to our guide, set period to 200. So we come to parameters, period, set it to 200. Okay, and then we go back. We need to set the color to white because the background of my MT5 is white. If yours is black, set it to black. If it is white, set it to white. Okay, so you can see it's already white. And then we need to add these two levels, 90 and 10. Okay, so white, apply to, leave it at close. Come to levels, set it at 90 and 10. Okay, 90 and 10. Okay, 90 will be the overbought area, 10 will be the oversold area. Okay, so then we click okay, and there you are. Okay, so you can see since the background is white, there should be a line here, but it's not visible. We are not using it right now, but we want these two levels, level 90 and level 10. Okay, and then we come to our second indicator, that is the MACD. Okay, so the purpose of the MACD, it serves as a main indicator to identify trends and turning points at the overbought and oversold levels. Okay, so we'll keep it as it is. We will not change anything. So we come to MACD, here it is. I want to drag it and then click OK. Leave it as it is. There you are. Okay, so you can see the MACD has gone into the RSI between these two levels, 90 and 10. Okay, and then let's go to our third indicator. That will be the moving average. Okay, and the purpose of the moving average is to set, the moving average is set to track the trend in relation to the MACD, helping confirm entries. Okay, this one will help us in when to buy or sell. Okay, working with the MACD. So let's grab it. That was the moving average. So we come, here's the moving average, open it, period, set it at 3. Okay, 3 like that, method exponential, and then don't forget this part, apply to previous indicators data. Make sure you select apply to previous indicators data. Then the color, I prefer lone green. I've chosen green. Let's see whether there's anything else you're forgetting. Method is exponential, and then you click OK. There you are. So you can see it is going or supporting the MACD. Okay, it's the green one here. This is the moving average, and then the red one is the MACD. So that is that. If you zoom out, you'll be able now to see your indicators properly in relation to the candlestick or chart movements above here. Okay, so now it's very easy. All you need to do is, we are at 15 minutes time frame. Whenever, for example, at this level, whenever the MACD histo, they're called MACD histo what? Just a second. histograph. I've remembered. So you can see, let me zoom. Yes, exactly, this is it. So you can see these blue lines. These are called the MACD histograph, and once they touch, for example, level 10 here, okay, you wait for them to kind of narrow down and retract, okay. And then if you notice the green moving average crossing the MACD from under like this, okay, that is when you go for your buy. And you can see here, this is around the point where by now the market started going upwards, okay. Let me zoom out again. Same with here. The moment the MACD histograph touches the 10 mark, wait for the market now to have a bullish upward movement, and then that is when you buy once the two lines cross each other, okay. And then vice versa for a sell once they reach 90, like here. Once they reach 90, and then the moving average crosses from the top coming down, let me get a clear it crosses the MACD from the top coming down. That is when you go for a sell, okay, like here, you see. But wait for it to at least be above the mark, the 90 mark, and then now go for a sell, okay. So in our case, what I'm seeing here, we need to wait for the market either to reach 90 and then wait for the two lines to cross each other with the moving average crossing from above, or if it's below here, you wait for the market now to go for a bullish upward trend, okay. That is when you buy. So this is where you set your zero point zero 0.02. This is a nano lot size and enables you to trade very well using even $5, okay. It enables you to trade using at least $5, and there are people who have taken the $5 all the way even up to $1,000, okay, or $500, slowly growing their small account, okay. So let me enter a trade. However, you can see there's a lot of consolidation here. This is not the right time to enter, okay. You always must wait. Like you can see here, it touched the 10 mark, wait for them to cross, and then now enter for a buy, okay. You can see here, wait for it to touch the 90, then enter for a sell once the two lines cross, once there's a crossover, okay. It's as simple as that, and I believe you can grow your account using those three indicators. You can easily grow your account using those three indicators in a very steady way without using any bots, okay guys. You can do that without using any bots. And then you can also trade many other instruments, including major currency pairs. Like you can see here, this is gold and USD. Okay, volatility 10, volatility 100, but I prefer volatility 75 because of the nano lot size that will enable you trade at least even $5. Okay, so you can see with what this line is currently showing that the market is kind of going up, going on a bullish trend. Before I shot the video, I entered the market at this point, and you can see the profit right now is at $57. Okay, profit at $57, $56. However, it is not the right time to enter the market because the market is kind of consolidating. Okay, because if it was maybe if it had touched this line 10, and then you should be waiting, it will not go below that. You must be waiting for a buy entry. Okay, if it touches 90, wait for the MACD histogram lines. These are the histogram lines. Wait for them to start coming down, like here. Wait for them to start coming down here, and then there should be a crossover. But always zoom out so that you can be able to see the two marks properly. You can also trade using these indicators on your mobile phone. There is no difference. You can trade using your mobile phone. You can trade on your laptop the way I have shown you. Okay, it's not the right time to enter the market right now, but you can see already when I enter the market, there is profit. But always wait for the market to touch the 90 mark or 10 mark. Okay, so the link to your MT5 is below the video. Okay, use that strategy. You'll be able to grow your small account steadily, and you're not using a bot here. Now you're trading on Deriv MetaTrader 5, and there are very many instruments that you can trade on Deriv MetaTrader 5. Let me open the market watch. You can see all these instruments, and then you can click symbols. There are very many instruments from major currency pairs. You see all these are instruments that you can trade. Okay, you can also trade forex major, forex minor pairs. Okay, you see you can trade Australian US dollar, euro, Australian dollar, euro USD, Australian dollar, Japanese yen. These are the major currency pairs. You can also trade the forex minor pairs, and there you are: Australian dollar, Swiss franc, Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar. Okay, so I'm very sure a majority of people who are using bots probably might not know, so I thought it wise again to shoot a video to show you that you can trade on Deriv using the MetaTrader 5 platform, and the link is below this video in the description and comment section. Okay, yeah, the market is a bit slow down. It's consolidating. and that is why I have not entered or traded. But there's a current trade here, as you can see. There's a trade here going on. Let me leave the video at that. Make sure to try the MetaTrader 5, guys. Okay, I notice a majority of Kenyans do not use the MT5. They're only concentrating on the bot side. So there are other ways, and actually once you start trading using the MetaTrader 5 and using indicators properly, you will start seeing some growth in your trading. Okay, and this is where you also need to get knowledge. This is where you need to get knowledge, learn how to trade, trade many other instruments apart from synthetic indices. I've shown you about Forex itself. It can also be done on Deriv MetaTrader 5. Okay, thank you guys. See you on the next video. Remember to subscribe so that you can get notified whenever I release a video. Thank you.